We innately have a masculine confidence within us. Think of it like a jar. It's pre-installed. And every day that you make a bad decision, you spill a little bit out of it. And most of you are walking with an empty cup because of all your bad decision making that's destroying your masculine energy. For example, watching all that pornography. Why do you think you're so weak? Why do you think you don't even have the strength to look a woman in the eye? That is because of all the porn you watch. Because it's so easy for you to bust a nut in the dark when no one's looking. So easy for you to get that dopamine, that confidence, that masculine energy for just a few seconds, and then you flush it down the toilet. You do this so often that now you don't have the strength, the drive, the confidence, the courage to now actually pursue a girl. So when you see a girl, you crumble. You feel weak. You feel defeated. Your masculine confidence is gone. This takes me to number 2, getting rejected. Getting rejected is like failure. And failure is the best thing for a man to build character, but most of you don't get rejected enough. That is why your masculine confidence is so damn low. It's not because you got rejected that your masculine confidence is low. It's because you don't get it enough. If you're not getting rejected enough, it means you're not trying enough. It's like life. It's like business. If I'm not losing money, making as a businessman, you will make bad decisions. It's just the way of life. You will make bad bets. It's the way of life. If I'm not making bad decisions, it means I'm not trying to push boundaries enough. The same thing is when it comes to dating. If you're not getting rejected, it means you're not out there trying to connect. It's probably because you only like one girl, all your attention is in one girl, all your energy is in one girl, and then when that one girl rejects you, your whole world falls apart. Get rejected more. Number 3, when your boy can't get up. It's a sad moment for most men, but it happens to almost every man. At some point in your life, it will happen, right? It could be because of stress. It could be because you're tired. It could be because you have low testosterone. There's many reasons why the boy could not be working. But you have to understand that as a man, this is not a problem. It can happen to anyone. You just have to start taking care of yourself and your relationship. And with our sponsor, Blue Chew, it's easier than ever. See, Blue Chew is a telemedicine solution where you can get access to convenient, affordable, chewable tablets. They're quick to consume that will give you a stronger, harder, and longer lasting erection. And the best part, everything is done online, conveniently, privately, and everything's delivered to your door. So no awkward doctor visit, no having to go to everything's done from the comfort of your home. Now, I want you to understand that Blue Chew is not some sort of generic medication. It actually uses 2 compounds. It's actually done using 2 compounds that have been scientifically proven to help with this situation. They create their own specific chewable tablet that can yield the results that you're looking for. The guys over at Blue Chew even have a whole saying of chew it and do it. It's that simple. And the tablets are only available on bluechew.com right now. So if you guys click the link down below and go to bluechew.com or click the link down below, that's my special link that's going to hook it up for you guys. If you guys click that link down below, you're going to get your first month of Blue Chew completely free, delivered to your door. Remember, because it is telemedicine, you do have to get it prescribed, so you will have some sort of consultation. But after that, they get delivered to your door. First month's on your boy, so I'm hooking it up to give you that masculine prowess. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, gaining weight. This so easily destroys your masculine energy, and you have to understand, most of you don't know this, but the more fat your body carries, the more estrogen your body produces. This is why you feel less masculine. You feel like you're draining your masculine energy. You as a man should continually try to chisel your body. Keep it on its prime. Keep it healthy. Go to the gym. Be active. Do some sort of sport. I don't care how you do it, but keep the body fat off your body. You're going to look more attractive. You're going to feel more confident, and you'll have more testosterone running through your body. Number 5, your height. Now this one sucks because out of all of them, it's something you can't fix, but the reality of it is, most of you don't understand averages. Most of you want to be the magical 6 foot. Even women. Women don't understand averages. All girls want a 6 foot guy. Yeah, that's 14% of the population. And now they're pushing it to like 6'2", 6'3", 6'4". Now we're talking 5'4", 3% of the population. So most women do not understand averages. The average size, I think in America, is like 5'9". It's like 5'8.5" or something like that. That's the average height for men in America. Meaning that if you're within like 5'6" to 5'10", you're within 70% of the population. 70% of men are alongside with you, shoulder to shoulder, living the same situation and going through the same problem. Understanding that at the end of the day, most of the men aren't crossing that 6 foot threshold, are living just like you are, and understanding that they're also able to achieve what they want. That kind of levels the playing field, in my opinion, to understanding that at the end of the day, height While yes, it could be beneficial for you, it's not the end all be all. Number 6, being broke. As a man, you feel your confidence destroyed when you can't take the check, when you can't pay that dinner, when you can't go on that vacation, when you can't buy that item that you really want. And it sucks. I felt it multiple times in my life, honestly, because I've made so many bad decisions, including in business. I've made bad decisions where I've had to have debt. But at the end of the day, you have to understand, you as a man should continually treat your finances like a business, right? When I look at my personal business, I'm always looking at profit and loss statements. I'm looking, all right, this is where my expenses are leaving. This is where my revenue sources are. All right, how can I minimize this and double this? It is like Business 101, and it seems so intuitive. You're like, yeah, duh, Jose, yes, it seems intuitive. You'd be surprised how many of you have actually sat down with your personal finances and thought about the same thing. Okay, these are all my expenses: Netflix, groceries, mortgage or rent, car, blah, blah, blah. This is exactly how much I'm spending. This is exactly how much I make a month. How do I lower this, increase this? Ask yourself that question on a daily basis, and I promise you, you will find a solution. Number 7. Losing your hair. This is a big one. And again, think of this one like the height. Averages, 2 and 3 men will start losing their hair by the time they hit their 30s. Meaning, you're not alone. The difference is you can do something about this one. Most of you aren't taking action early. Scientifically speaking, if you want to keep most of your hair, start now. As soon as you see like early signs of hair loss, that minoxidil, start bringing out that Rogaine, start bringing out that Keeps, whatever it is, start putting on that minoxidil in the hair, and I promise you, you will keep most of your hair, and in some cases, regrow it, keeping that masculine confidence.